So I'm walking towards the train station. So I'm going to Chiang Kai-shek today, and then I'm going back here in the hotel para mag-change outfit. So yeah, see you in Chiang Kai-shek. My morning walk every single day. So my hotel is just near the Ximen Station, just walking distance. It's so nice to stay here in Ximending because everything is accessible, especially the train station. It's just so nice to be able to just walk here and go around. So far, Taiwan, the train system in Taiwan is easy to navigate, and it's hard for me to understand the navigation system. So here, this is the easy one. So see you later. The platform, go to exit 5, and there you will see exit 5, and then that's the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall exit. Artwork here is so cute. So here we are. So this is the exit. I'm just trying to find where is the Chiang Kai-shek. I think here. Walking tour tayo, guys. The weather today, this morning is not so cold, tolerable lang, so okay ra nag-skirt. So pag gawa sa sa platform sa station, Chiang Kai-shek Station, turn left and then makita nimo ning temple, and then straight lang jud kay katong na siya ang Chiang Kai-shek. So tour again. So this is the National Theater DI. Tapos straight lang jud ka, and then nice siya na place kay kanang so nice siya. So here grabe kadako sa place. So nag-zumba dito. Wow, grabe ka nice. So diri sa taon na layo man di ay siya. Layo siya sa from this gate going to there kay layo po day siya. okay. So we're going to go there first and take photos. Hee. Hi guys, here in Chiang Kai-shek. So yeah, I'm just enjoying my time here, taking photos.